Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will discuss how to arrange references in alphabetical order. You can see on screen of my laptop there are multiple references which are not listed alphabetically. References with starting are listed at the end. Let's follow these simple steps. Highlight all of your references. Click on this Sort tab with arrow from A to Z. Now press OK. Now you can see all references have been arranged alphabetically. In this way, you can arrange hundreds of your references alphabetically in one simple click. Thank you for watching.